Now we're talking.
What's up, everyone? So before I get my arcade cabinet, I got all my parts from Amazon, and I did a little bit of a bench test and an unboxing. Check it out.
We just got our orders from Amazon. We've got the pile speakers. We've got the LED light, the power supply for the light, and the amp for the speakers. So here we go. Let's check these out really quick. So here's the lights, and here's the power. Let's just go ahead and make sure these work. And there you go. So we got LEDs. Check. Okay, LEDs are on hit. Got the amp. Comes with some sort of connector. So we got on and off, bass volume. You got an auxiliary for MP3, treble, bass, and volume. So I'm just going to need a 3.5 to go directly into here. And then our outputs, we have the two speakers. Oh, this is for the super bass. So if you want super bass, that goes in there. And then you can also go right left. I don't know why you would do that. You probably just go MP3. And it's mountable. You got the mounts on here. Then we have our pile speakers. 1, 2. Okay, speakers do come with speaker wire, which is good. And they come with covers. I don't think I'm going to need the covers because the cabinet will handle a lot of that. But just to give you a little preview here, it does come with all the screws for mounting. And here you go. Pile, 4-inch two-way speakers, 180 watts, 4 ohms. You got the main speaker. Good resistance. Got a little tweeter and then the main speaker. Pretty nice. And then the you got the top as well. Comes with, so one left, one right. The monitor. We got the Asus LED, LCD, but it's LED backlit. 5 millisecond response time. By the way, some of you might be looking over at perfumes and cream, etc. I don't know. I actually bought those at a garage sale. These 5-gallon containers, what is it, 50-gallon containers? Great for storing stuff. Okay, so we have a stand. I'm just gonna put the stand on because oh, and look at that, it comes with an auxiliary cable. That's perfect. Now I have an auxiliary cable to go to my Pi, to my amplifier. It does come with the DCMI, whatever that connector is, the video connector, and power, or VGA. They did cheap out though, and they did not include an HDMI cable. Okay, so just looking at the instructions on this, and basically this goes like this, and then this goes there. So no tools required. Very simple mechanism here. Lock in that direction. So talk about thumb screw. Really nice. That goes flat. So basically you just gotta turn that in. And there we go. And there you go. 22-inch. I mean, it's pretty thin on that side. inputs on the bottom. You got VGA, DVI, HDMI, you got a headphone jack, and then you got the power here. And then as far as buttons, you got power and you got 5 other buttons on the bottom. And then a lot of plastic. Okay, let's see if we can get this all working. All right, everything's on. We just gotta plug in the Pi here. There's a mess of wires, because that's how you roll when you're benching these things. Pi is on. So, I'm glad I did this exercise, because I found out this amp, when you buy it, it does not come with a power adapter. Luckily, I had one of those power adapters that you could switch between 2 volts and 12 volts, and it has all the little adapters. So I was covered. But you do need to buy a power supply for this thing here. Let's go ahead and turn on our monitor. VGA no signal. Give me a little HDMI action now. Oh, here we go. Switch it. VGA, DVI, HDMI. Boom. All right. Sweet. We're rocking the F710. This is totally messy. I just want to check out the speakers. This should detect this pretty easily. Okay. Cool. So let's go to... We got to change the sound. So instead of going out of HDMI, it needs to go out of the... I got some sound. Okay, the monitor does have speakers, but they're not very loud. Let me sound on the monitor. Good enough. But now, let's go back. Let's switch the audio to the 3.5 jack. It should start this thing up. It's going to probably be loud as hell because I have it on the highest on the Pi. Maybe I should wait. Maybe I should hit start immediately and lower this to 70%. Let's go ahead and lower this so we're not going to blow out our ears here. Okay, cool. Okay. Treble bass volume. Now we're talking. The static might be from all this interference here. I'll play with that. And it's on the ground. I'm gonna go a little higher on the sound because I'd rather have more capability on the speakers. Now I can rotate the sound there. Sounds pretty good though. Way better than the computer monitors. I just gotta get rid of that static. So this amp does have treble and bass controls on it, which is cool. That's right. Yeah, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's riders in the storm, right? Well, didn't mean to do that. Well, didn't mean to do that. Bow. Whoa. I just want to bail on this Yoshi all the time. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is gonna be hard. You gotta do like... Oh man, did I... I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could please like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next one.